robbed him. You betrayed him. You killed his BFF.
What?
You are so cool.
I loved her, and I love her now.
And I love you.
And I love you.
And I love you.
And I love you.
Too.
And I love you
And
as
I
well.
love you.
And I love any of you.
Everybody in this room.
Anybody
It's a
who's
lot of
watching,
love.
we love you.
We love you.
We're just getting through this.
I mean, this is so painful.
Just
I'm
grinning
drunk
back.
right now because I can't stand either one of them. No, it's the opposite. Like, we have a text thread called The Birds.
The birds.
Yeah.
Because we're corny.
Yeah.
Oh, you're that psycho chick. I never call a woman a chick. I'll accept broad, lady, woman, and on occasion, bitch. Bitch.
Ella's
You were
crazy.
crazy.
I mean, she's
Crazy.
just...
Yeah.
She should bail her out of jail in the morning.
Yeah,
She's
it was.
hit the
We'd have to
town.
like. She would never come out of her trailer.
Yeah,
That was a
she'd
I
throw
know.
big.
things at people.
I'm
Yeah.
so annoying.
We
Yeah.
called her Mariah.
Yeah, I was like, calm down, please,
Yeah,
please. We have to
please
shoot today.
Don't hurt me.
Yeah.
No, it was great. We'd have
Isn't this fun? It's just like a sleepover. We should order pizza. Big Cosmos. Harley, focus. Okay.
and on Fridays we'd wear Hawaiian shirts and leis and drink pina coladas.
Yeah, and play some music.
Make our first AD Don wear a coconut bra. So
we go.
that always brightened up my day.
Yes, me. Me too.
Do you remember that day?
Yeah,
I was
I
like,
do.
Don, if you take it off, I won't come to set. He was like, please come to set. And I was like, put on the coconut bra. He's like, okay.
What year?
You've got to be kidding me.
I got hurt.
Yeah.
Day one. She got hurt.
Yeah.
What, week two?
I mean, I don't know when it was. I got hurt several times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I couldn't move my neck at a point where knee, my shoulder. You too.
It was
We all got
constant.
hurt.
We were all in we were like athletes. We were all in
Yeah.
physical therapy. We were
Yeah.
all getting constant massages. Or anytime we had any time off, it was
Yeah.
basically just how do we keep our bodies well enough to get through this shoot, you know? So we
Epsom
really
salt
did.
baths.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Constant,
packs,
constant
ice.
maintenance.
Ice baths.
Yeah.
I knew the whole staff of Cedar Sinai.
Right.
I did.
Who's having a good time?
Get ready, ladies.